I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands.
I'm Jvdas Berra, Mexican fashion photographer and Godox partner. As a mainly outdoors photographer, I long to visit exotic remote locations. I find inspiration in places untouched by men. As a result, I'm constantly looking for gear that can keep up with me and my crew. The age of heavy equipment is long gone. Now more than ever, compact and easy to assemble gear is a must. The AD300 Pro is the newest Godox unit, perfect for any adventurous photographer like myself. It features high-speed sync, perfect to capture fleeting moments of genius. With recycling speeds of 0.01 to 0.5 seconds, it's easy to stay in the zone. While on location, its dimmable bicolor LED screen is perfect for any and all light conditions. We can't always control natural light, so its 12-watt continuous lighting works perfectly in short video. When climbing a mountain, the AD300 Pro's innovative compact design is perfect to tag along in the adventure. I like to play a lot while mixing flashes and natural light. That's why it's perfect for me that this flash unit was designed to be paired with multiple portable light modifiers specially crafted by Godox. My crew and I might need a break from time to time, but my AD300 Pro just keeps on going, with its long-lasting lithium batteries that I can switch whenever I want and charge fully in less than 2.5 hours. I certainly feel the freedom of working wherever I want while having 300 watts of power inside such a magnificent portable device.